What's up everyone? I've spent hours compiling the following tips just for you. I'm excited to give you all the best practices to keep in mind when you start uploading videos to YouTube, so keep watching. What's up YouTube universe, and a big thank you to the subscribers of my YouTube journey. I'm Brad, and my passion is to provide inspiration and tips to new YouTubers and content creators. If I could do it, you could do it too. Watch this video all the way to the end to learn some great YouTuber beginner tips. I'm excited to hear your thoughts and insights. Please comment below. In my last video, I announced that I was accepted to Adelphi University. I have another update for you. I've just registered for summer classes. If you are taking summer classes, please comment below. I would love to hear from you. Today, we will talk about your channel trailer, the art of being consistent and persistent, how to create a great thumbnail so that YouTube suggestions and searches will beat a path to your door. We will also discuss YouTube SEO, playlist ideas, making the best use out of social media platforms, networking, and improvement. Please remember to hit that like button and share this video. Go on, try it now. What does consistency for a YouTube channel mean? For a successful channel, it must provide content on a regular basis to keep your audience engaged and/or entertained. Set a SMART goal for yourself and revisit it on a monthly basis. SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. Your YouTube videos are much like network shows. You will want to post at least one video a week, and I encourage you to pick a day of the week and a roundabout time for your uploads. If you plan on going on vacation or stepping away from YouTube for a while, that's okay. You should let your viewers know that this video is your season finale, and be sure to plan an exciting season premiere upon your return. You know what they say about first impressions. Having a trailer is a terrific way to captivate people's attention and gain new subs. A trailer shows up on your channel for visitors who have never heard of you and those who have yet to subscribe. Make a short introduction to share who you are and a synopsis of your channel. You have about 1 minute to get viewers' interest and give them reasons why they should subscribe by directly asking, or show and not tell. What is the big deal about thumbnails? The video thumbnail and title are the first things that viewers see when your video is displayed on YouTube suggestions and search results. This gives people a reason to click on your video in the first place. Most users look at thumbnail before even or instead of the title. You want to make sure that you are using an engaging thumbnail for every video that you upload. Successful thumbnails consist of captivating facial expressions and 3 or 5 words to gain the audience attention. But be careful not to create clickbait type thumbnails. Your thumbnail should both intrigue interest and accurately match the content in your video. So, what is YouTube SEO? Optimizing your content plays a huge role in the ranking of your videos, channel, and playlists. In organic search results, your videos need to rank in the top 5 so people can find you quickly and easily. You can do so by first producing a great video, finding the best keywords, maximizing the click-through rate, and a powerful end screen and/or closing statement. But this topic deserves a video of its own. I will be uploading a video soon. Be sure to tap or click on the notification button after subscribing so that you will be notified. How do I reach out to audiences outside of the YouTube community? It is simple as sharing your videos on social media like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, on your blog, or an email newsletter, or where applicable. Find your target audience on Yahoo Answers, Reddit, and Quora to help people to solve their problems. If you see a problem within your niche to solve, and you know how to, then make a video around it and share it with those outside communities to introduce them to your YouTube channel. You will be sure to earn some new subscribers and views. Start creating genuine connections with other YouTubers in your niche to create successful collabs and networking opportunities. Also, share your videos offline with people that you engage with on an everyday basis. Do your videos follow a certain sequence? I would strongly recommend that you organize your videos into playlists. Playlists makes it easy for viewers to go through your content, especially if you have a certain order you would like them to follow. It is a great tool on your channel to build audience retention. In other words, playlist keeps people watching your videos. Audience retention is one of the primary factors in YouTube ranking. For example, if your niche is organic plant-based cleaners, you will want to create a playlist like laundry, kitchen, bathroom, and fill those playlists with related videos. You want to keep viewers watching and staying engaged. When should I begin? Today! You should begin your channel right now. Make sure that you have clearly defined your niche, brainstorm the name of your channel, and create your channel art. Create your YouTube account or sign in with your Google password. Add the artwork, fill out your descriptions, mission, values, and other information. There you have it. You are ready to produce and edit your first video. Then, hit the upload button. Congratulations, you did it. Go back to your goals, your why, and plan your next action steps and your schedule. How do I keep on keeping on? Just like any other new endeavor, your YouTube skills is something that you will develop and improve over time. Make a note to yourself that each time you make a new video, do something just a little bit different than you did before, which will ultimately help you increase in your watch hours and subscriber base. Maybe you have not been asking viewers to subscribe. Our emotions are sometimes like a roller coaster. It can be sometimes hard to find motivation from time to time. Publishing content on YouTube starts as a hobby. You should not just be in it for the money. The ad revenue, brand deals, and affiliate marketing opportunities will come. If you do not see tons of engagement at first, do not get discouraged. Build an audience on YouTube takes tons of patience. Keep posting consistently, content in your niche, stay focused on your goals, and the success will come. I would like to thank one of my followers, Fred, for an excellent question. He writes, whenever someone visits your site, do you get an indication of the viewing? In short, yes. There's a whole topic on YouTube analytics, which I plan on sharing in a dedicated video in the future. Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will be notified when I post this video. I am confident that I was able to give you the best tips to get your YouTube channel started. To continue our journey, I promise that you will not want to miss a single video. If I have inspired you to start or reboot a YouTube channel, please comment below and push that like button. I know that you are going to be a success on YouTube. And a big congratulations. Remember, you are only as good as your last video. So for every video that you produce, you should be better than the one before. Today is the day to start your YouTube channel. I hope that you know that it does not take a certain person. It does not matter your nationality, your gender, or the color of your skin. If your dream has been to start a channel, do not let anyone steal your dream. I will, I can, and I must. Dig deep and get it done. I believe that you found me for a reason and that we found each other. There's so much in store for you if you just begin. Mary Pickford said, "You may have a fresh start any moment you choose. For this thing we call failure is not falling down, but staying down." Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. God loves you and so do I. Peace.